You might think that all shower heads are the same, but it's important to choose one that provides the flow rate, stream settings, and look you need. You can learn how we tested the shower heads here and find out more about the different types of shower heads here. Some shower heads offer a spa-like experience, while others are aimed at saving water. You'll get a different experience from both. In this video, we have listed 5 best shower heads that we have tested for you.
Hello there, we're the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products idea so that the viewer may know about the product. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
Nothing starts your day like a great shower. But wait, overnight your shower head is a breeding ground for germs and bacteria. According to a recent study, that first blast of hot water in the morning can be packed with dangerous pathogens. Wake up to AquaCare, the breakthrough handheld shower head with antimicrobial nozzles that inhibit the growth of mold, mildew, and bacteria inside, giving you a clean, luxurious, powerful shower every time. The secret is Germ Shield antimicrobial technology that works 24/7 at a molecular level to protect AquaCare nozzles from bacterial contamination. Ordinary showerhead nozzles clog and lose water pressure, but AquaCare's anti-clog nozzles remain clog-free for superior water pressure and flow. With 8 amazing settings, from drenching rain to pulsating massage and a convenient water-saving pause mode, you can use AquaCare as a handheld or an overhead shower. It installs in minutes, no tools needed, and no other shower head can do this. Just flip the head and AquaCare turns into a power wash. Use the fan spray to instantly rinse off soap or the Target jet to blast away that stubborn scum buildup without setting foot in your shower. And it's ideal for pets. AquaCare is a complete shower hygiene system for your entire family. Call or go online to get your AquaCare with Germ Shield for the manufacturer's direct price of just $34.99. With an amazing lifetime warranty, it's the last shower head you'll ever need. Order right now and we'll instantly upgrade your order with an extra long stainless steel hose and a low-reach wall bracket. Ideal for children and seniors. Yours absolutely free. Plus, we'll ship your entire order free. You get it all. An incredible value for one low price. Click the order button now.
Your shower is one of the most important aspects of your bathroom. And your shower head determines the quality of your showers. Improve your home with the elegance and luxury of the SparkPod shower head. Improve your shower experience with high-pressure rain. Installation takes just 5 minutes. This elegant design features beautiful chrome and 90 silicone jets for a high-pressure, high-flow downpour. The SparkPod shower head is adjustable to fit any desired angle. Save on water while being treated to a spa experience. Self-cleaning shower heads remove hard water buildup. With 2 color choices to match your style. Treat yourself to a luxury spa experience at home. Achieve the shower experience you've always wanted with the SparkPod shower head.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.